For the last little while we've been doing some fires, some bonfires, just burning back what we sort of chopped down, which is the easiest way to get rid of stuff. But it was also a bit scary to burn that grass down there. We had like 3 piles, we've done 2 piles so far, and the third we're not sure because it's got so much grass on it. And maybe Max is thinking we want to do a ramp for the boys one day. And this was actually a couple of weeks ago. It was cooler than now. We had last few fires at home and did some marshmallow roasting with the kids. That was fun. We're also still enjoying our cows next door. We feed them most days with bread. Yeah, sometimes we wake up in the morning and feed them straight away when they're close to the house. They're very cute. And they're all pregnant. They're all gonna have a baby soon. 2 calves already over there. We had really nice weather, not too hot but still quite warm to go to the beach. And actually Kaya's favorite thing to do is harvesting potatoes. It's like finding gold for him. He gets so excited when he sees them under the soil. So we've been doing that with a couple of beds, and we've planted some more. Yeah. Noah?
Marshmallow.
Marshmallow. Glabberig zog, hè?
Yum. Yum. Yum.
Where from? Where do we go? All the words in the scriptures with the pretty pictures, and we still don't know. But where were you before you were born?
So we had a crack this many. Probably took me half an hour with Kyle. So we're gonna hopefully fill the whole jar. We're doing it with a rock. I've got this rock and it's actually got a little tiny little bit dent in there. We used to have pool noodles with the hole in it and then you put the mackinac inside, but now I just use this. It somehow is still quicker. You sometimes squash it a bit more with the rock, but you don't have to every time put it into the pool noodle. This guy is helping with eating, gell? Are they yummy? Der Schagweite zwischendrin tust du dort. He's putting it in the crack and then squashing them.
We just here for a couple of years to share all the laughs and the photographs. Maybe heaven is just what's here. So come and join me in the Garden of Eden. We cut the vines that we don't believe in. I'm all alone in the Garden of Eden. We listen to a man on an altar with that
ein Geschenk bekommen. So we're doing Kai's favorite. This is what we've got so far, but we also harvested one over there, so that's already done. And now this one, yeah, has a few good ones in it, but obviously never enough. I always feel like it's what you put in, that's what you get, but at least it's now they're homegrown rather than old potatoes, so a bit. Darfst du das super machen, Kai? Bravo! Hey! Hey! What's Jovin doing? Oh, wo ist der Jovin? Weg! Hast du das Bad verwünscht? Yeah, look at that! Die sind aber gross! Mega lässig, ui! Our poor lychee tree didn't get enough water. I think that's what it is. If you guys know anything else, then let me know. But yeah, I think it's shriveled up because it really likes lots of water.
Tiny potato.
Tiny potato, the littlest one in the whole wide world.
Yeah! Yeah!
Ist das der alte, der gerade gewachsen ist, oder? Oh, ein schöner. Wow, look, that's our biggest so far. Show it. Way, big red one. Woohoo! Woohoo! One more there.
And then he said, sorry. Warmer, sorry.
Hey, schau mal, der Rot ist dann gut gewachsen.
He said, warmer, sorry.
Ich glaube, der ist der alte, der gewachsen ist. Now the chuck's coming to get all the worms. Hey, we need those worms, you greedy. Oh, du willst es ihr geben? Oh, danke Jovin. Was hat sie denn gern?